How are you? I think I think I've seen you somewhere. Okay, your face is very familiar. It's okay. No, no,
He is the most
it's
popular face. He is the most popular face right now.
yeah,
He is doing
yeah,
astrology
yeah,
on a
somewhere,
regular
somewhere.
basis, and he's doing on the web as well.
Maybe that's how you met me. I think. You might have seen there.
Yeah. Possibly. Yeah, I keep tracking things.
Oh, okay, maybe. So where are you basically from, sir?
I'm from Mysore, in south of India, but the same as Anil.
Okay.
But I'm in Ireland now.
Oh, Ireland, wonderful. Where? Belfast? Where? Dublin.
Dublin, near Dublin.
Dublin. Okay. Good.
And you're in Goa now?
I'm saying in Goa actually.
Okay, great. Nice to see you all.
Basically, I'm a Keralite, but I stay in Goa.
Okay, great. Nice then.
Sir, uh,
Yeah.
would you like to ask any question today?
No. We almost. I'm in touch with you, so you answered like very good. Yeah. But however, I will ask a couple of questions, but they're very general question status of mine. So
Okay.
that's very general questions. Yeah. I
Okay.
was Tanil. The only thing is, my general question was about. Yeah, I'm in foreign country and would like to go back to India, and so that's not been possible when how much I've tried. So I was asking him why what's happening like that. Uh, that's a question I've been asking you for a very long time.
Yes. Can I get a seed number from you between 1 to 249?
Oh yeah, okay. 139.
Foreign settlement itself for you to vote.
Or is it?
Yeah, it's
Okay, sir. Right now we will be sharing the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Nikhil, what we have over here is his fourth house is having Saturn in its place,
yes.
and
Saturn is there.
it is also the lord of the house is Saturn.
Yes.
So
Swarshakra.
yeah, so as per the Krishnamurti Paddhati, what I would say is he can travel, but there will be delays in travel.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, can I have your
Date of birth?
no, it's completely okay. I'll just Mr. Nikhil, would you like to add something over here?
No, please tell me the date of birth once. Date of birth.
Sure. Yeah, March 4th, 1981.
March 4th, 1981.
Yeah, and one. Oh, it's date enough.
March 4th, 1981. Okay.
So you're doing it from your end, Mr. Nikhil?
No, yeah, I'm checking the charts actually. Anyway, you have already kept the Lagna chart here actually.
Okay.
Can no, it's his own Lagna chart. No, it's Shiv Kumar sir's Lagna chart, right?
That's a Prashna, I
That was
think. This is.
a Prashna. Sir, can I get it again, please?
Okay, 4th March 1981.
Okay, and the time?
1:13, 1:15 afternoon.
Mysore.
Yeah, no, it's Belgaum. I'm from
Belgaum.
north, near to you, Goa.
Okay. March 1:15 p.m. right?
Yeah.
1:05.
Yes,
1:05.
1-5, 1-5. Yeah. Someone corrected to me to 12 to be at 12:55. Someone got made it rectification, and they said, okay, you should say 12:55.
1 second. I'll check. I'll check whether it's correct or not.
So this is his Lagna chart. Welcome, Anil ji.
Hi, hi.
How are you?
Hi, Anil.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Everything good, sir.
Welcome, sir. Super, super. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Sorry. Sorry.
So we were discussing about the Lagna chart. Now, even in the
Okay.
Lagna chart, when you see,
Midun
you'll
Lagna.
see-
Midun Lagna.
yeah, Mithun Lagna,
Mithun Lagna.
and
Yeah,
even
okay.
the owner of the fourth house is having Saturn and Jupiter, and the second house is Rahu. So my observation will be
Hi, Shukumar.
Hi, Anil. How are
How
you?
are you?
So I just
Fine, thank
remember, I'm just remembering you that we are both from same place,
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
and
Nice, nice.
yeah, that's great. So are you in Bangalore now, Anil ji?
Yes, 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 yes. I'm in Bangalore.
Uncle,
My neighbor.
I know it's okay.
Neighbor kid. Jagjit ji,
G, sir.
sir, can you please share that chart?
Yeah. Just one moment. Actually, I was just there were some people who wanted to enter,
Okay.
so I'm trying to get them in. Nikhil ji, can we have your camera turned on, please?
Sorry.
आपका
One second.
camera, your camera.
It's not turned on. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's look at.
Just wanted to see your reaction on the chart.
Yeah.
Now,
Little
basically,
visible now.
yeah.
He's good with hands. Dexterous, right? Very dexterous person. Shivkumar sir.
What is it? Dexterous? I didn't understand that. Sorry.
I mean, very good with hands.
Yeah, I work with hands only.
Yeah, very good with hands. Actually, even crafts also you'll be able to do very well. Actually, fine movements.
Yeah.
You'll be able to do very well based on
Yes.
your ascendant position and all are like that actually.
Yeah.
And very easily you can grasp new topics actually.
Exactly. Yeah.
You can easily move from even if it's a field which is completely unrelated to your academics, you'll be able to grasp it very easily.
Yeah, that's there. Yeah. Only what's the key factors is key characteristics. I hear well.
Yes.
So because maybe that's because Shravan Nakshatra, I hear well. So I don't like to read.
Yes.
So if someone comes and tells me a concept, I'll grasp it well. But I cannot
Yes.
read. I cannot read. Reading is zero. I'll get bored of reading.
Yeah. Because your
Very true.
faculties are very well developed actually.
Very true.
Yeah.
Shravana Nakshatra is always like this.
Hearing, yeah.
It's a very good nakshatra actually, Shravana nakshatra.
Yeah. Lord by Vishnu, I think. Vishnu deity.
Yes, 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 yes. Shravana means hearing only. Shravana means hearing.
The other thing is his Ketu is also in Shravana Nakshatra.
Hmm.
He has the thing what we can say is he is returning back to his own house, rebirth.
Oh, okay. Great.
But the only thing which is over here is this: the Mars is combust.
Mars is combust.
Yes.
And Venus also, I think.
Sorry.
Venus is also compass.
Venus.
Yeah.
Can I stop the screen share if it is okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anilji, what will be
Yeah.
your input on this one?
Can you just show me his kundli,
Yeah.
please? But I cannot. Ah, exactly. Perfect.
Wow, his Fortuna point is currently in this thing, huh?
12,000.
Yeah.
That is why he got job in Ireland. And he is getting more offers in Ireland.
Oh my God.
Very true. Very true. He is soon going to expand. It seems. It's his expansion is there. Better in the career.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll be starting with new career in January. New company, new job.
Oh, fantastic! Fantastic! Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sure. Are you trying to come back to India?
Yeah, actually not now. Maybe I was planning to, but maybe 2 years I'll stay here, and I want to come back to India after 2 years at least. But you know what? I plan to. Actually, it requires planning and execution to come back to India. So I wanted to have join a company which has a branch in India. But how much I ever tried, I didn't get that kind of company. So I only got, sir told me that I'll get a lot of offers. Yes, I got, but only companies which are in Ireland, not in India. Lot of if I go to company which does not have branch in India, they like me a lot. If I go to company where I has branch in India, they hate to make it to the core. That's the gist of my.
The funniest thing was the paperwork, the paperwork thing, which turned out in your Prashna Kundli,
Yeah.
and literally you got saved from that actually.
What paperwork, sorry?
So you remember about this company that we said about the Venus over there, and
Yeah.
I said the
Yeah.
company you have to take everything in writing, and you said there
Yeah.
3 days work.
Yeah, but they didn't put in writing. I have to. That's the only company I left with. They didn't give me in writing, but I think it's okay. Hopefully, it turn out to be good. So that's the company I'll be going.
I mean, very good, very good. If they give you in writing, everything is fantastic.
They didn't give me in writing. Let's see how it works out.
They'll give you definitely.
Okay.
Sir, right now the question is regarding the travel back to home.
Yeah.
So, sir, any inputs?
It's only after 16 months. It's possible after 16 months.
Okay.
12,000 is in Fortuna Point. So I consider Rahu is exalt in Vrishabha. So it is not possible, and you will not be satisfied if you come back to India.
Okay.
So better be there. It's my suggestion and it's my view.
Okay.
Be there. After transit of Rahu on Aries, definitely you have a chance and you will get a chance to come back to India.
Okay.
And you will get very good position also because Saturn Jupiter is conjuncted in 4th house.
Great. So I have a chance. Okay.
Right.
After 2 years.
Sure, sir. I'll stop the screen share here now.
Yeah.
And
Okay, sir. Okay.
we have Mr. Richard.
Nikhil ji. Nikhil.
Yes.
Nikhil ji, please tell me what about the Shikumar missing travel?
I concur with your statement, sir. Actually, for him, it's better to be in Ireland itself, actually.
Yes, exactly.
Because for him, it's not in every way, all the positions are not promising for a happy career in India, actually.
Yeah,
Because for him, I'm
and
seeing.
his Fortuna point is also 12th in the 12th house.
12th,
Yes, 12th house. 12th house also shows near a small place or near a sea, actually. A small country near a sea always. 12th house.
Sorry, I was in a call. I got a call actually. Yeah. So, Nikhil, can you what did you can you repeat it? Sorry.
No, actually, Jagjit sir told me your Fortuna house is in 12th house.
Yeah.
So 12th house always shows islands, actually.
Oh yeah. I'm currently in
Shows
Ireland
island.
only.
Yeah, and
It's
it's an island, small islands, and it shows water, surrounded by water, actually. Every time 12th, because 12th house shows Pisces, right, in Vedic astrology. And Pisces always shows water and ships, those kind of things, actually.
Okay.
So for you, it's abroad settlement itself is better, actually.
Okay.
You will be, and here I'm saying, and 12th house also shows isolation, actually. Isolation from your isolation and what do you call self-attainment of goals, actually. So you'll be isolated from your family members and all, actually.
I am.
Throughout your life also, for you, such a trajectory is there, actually. Such a trajectory for your destiny, actually. And you'll be, for you, it is better there, you know, so based on the prashna, based on your Lagna, everywhere is promising there also. Even Scandinavia also, you'll be having good prospects.
Where? Sorry.
Even Scandinavia also, you'll be having good prospects.
Okay.
Scandinavian countries.
Scandinavia soon, yeah. Because 12th always shows Scandinavian countries mainly. Norway, Sweden. These countries lead in shipbuilding and those kind of things. So 12th house, that connect, I think you're able to understand the connection, that 12th house connection.
Yeah, I'm able to understand. Yeah. Great.
Yeah. So those areas are itself are better for you. I'm saying you'll be going to Finland actually after some years.
Great. Interesting. Let's see.
So I stay with Anil sir's and Jagjit sir's judgment that overhead abroad settlement itself is better for you as per Anil sir and Jagjit sir.
Sure. Thank you.
And Shikumar, actually, honestly telling, if you come back to India, definitely you'll face a lot of problems with your family.
Okay.
You stay there only.
We've been having a private conversation. We know. Okay. So, sorry, it was very good talking. I have to rush. Some visitors there. So, I need to go. It's very good insight.
Okay.
It's very good insight. And yeah, I think I'll be in touch with you. Let's see.
Thank you for joining.
Nice talking, Nikhil.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you. Good day.
I'll be connected. I'll be connected. So, if I when I come back and I'll see if you are solving other
Yeah.
problem. I'll learn from it. Is it okay for you? I'll just mute
Yeah,
and
sure,
stop.
sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
no
sure,
problem.
sir. Sure, sir. Sure.
I'll just need to go out and come back. So okay.
Okay. Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Nikhil ji,
Yes, sir.
sir, I'm the second customer for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you
Right.
take down my date of birth and all, please.
Okay.
And Jagjit ji,
G.
I think you have.
Sir, what happened? Because of the
Your date of
software.
birth, please, sir. Anil, sir, your date of birth, please.
25th March
Mm.
1978.
Hmm.
1620.
1620.
1620. Yeah.
Okay. Place.
Mysore.
Nice.
Mysore, Karnataka.
25th March 1978, 4:20 p.m. Mysore, Karnataka.
Exactly. Yes, sir.
Leo ascendant.
Exactly, sir.
Yeah.
Just like Jagjit, sir, you are also having Saturn the ascendant.
Yes.
Yes.
And did you
Mine
notice
is
one more
retro.
coincidence? Here's his retro. And one more coincidence was there. Shivkumar sir was for Shivkumar sir, Jagdish sir told that his fortune house is in 12th house.
Yes.
12th house always denotes March, right?
Ah.
Isn't it?
Yes, yes, sir.
And you're also having birthday in March itself, actually. So it also shows that Shivkumar says that time, no, it really matters. So many coincidences.
Sir, can I have the birth date again?
5th.
25th March,
25.
1978.
We'll do a little bit of twist for Anil, sir.
Sure.
Sure.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
what do you think so is his missing numbers? Destiny number is showing 9.
Fine.
Eight, no? It's still number.
No, it's 9. No, it's 9 itself, not 8.
9. Oh, okay.
9. Because 8 doesn't match with you in any way. 9 matches with you, actually. Isn't it,
Oh, is it?
Jagdish sir? Because you're an academic person, actually. Based on this structure, you're an academic person, actually. Are you able to hear me, sir?
Yes.
Aha, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, based on the Lechner chart, you're an academic person, actually. Focus more than, so 8 doesn't match with that academic interest, actually. It's 9 for you, actually. Because 9 always denotes Sagittarius and higher learning, Guru. So for you, it is 9 itself, actually. 8 means it will not be an academic birth chart, actually.
Okay, Anilji, what will be the question you would like to ask now?
About the future? About the financial matters?
Financial is fantastic, sir. Fortuna
No,
point,
yes. Finance is very
Fortuna
good.
point is in the 7th house. In business, you will do fantastic. But the only small problem, you have to do a remedy, which is already told to you. The Shani, when the Saturn will come, the next Mahadasha is of Saturn, which is going to come, and you will be very happy with it. And also, as Mr. Nikhil mentioned, it is in the Lagna house, and it is taking care of the 7th house as well. So all your karmic deeds will be fulfilled. As I know, you are a very karmic person as well, and you do very good from time to time for everybody. So for sure.
Is there
Tell me
any chance of
one,
lottery or something? Yeah, Nikhil sir, go ahead. Sorry.
tell me one number, please, Salil sir. Tell me one number between 1 and 249.
115?
Okay, you were asking about lottery, right? Are you able
Sorry?
to hear me? Are you able to hear
Yeah.
me?
Yeah,
You were
yeah.
asking about lottery and
Yes.
Jagjit sir.
Yes, sir.
You're able to hear me, right? You're able
Yeah.
No, what do you feel?
I'm taking out is see only.
So many plans are there in the 8th house. 8th house was
Yes.
gains by lottery and all actually. But inheritance will be good anyway for you in your case, Anil sir.
Okay.
Family inheritance, it will come predominantly to you actually. Because 2nd house always shows your lineage actually. So, and Rahu and Moon both are staying in your 2nd house. That shows your ancestral property. The lion's share of the ancestral property will be to you actually.
Honestly, there is no property or anything.
Now, I'll just tell you over here. Basically, when you came into the Jupiter Dasha, you already had a hit of lottery.
No, sir, I have not tried actually. Honestly, I have not tried.
I'm telling you, like when you
Okay.
came into the Jupiter Dasha, you already had a chance to hit a lottery.
Oh,
Because
understood.
now, as per the KP system, Nikhilji, what we do is we take the 5th house, and the star lord is basically Ketu. That is the
Ketu.
owner of the 8th house, and you saw many
8th
of the
house, yeah.
planets are favoring the 8th house.
8th house, yes.
Yes,
8th house.
and I will go with Mr. Nikhil. You have a fantastic chance of getting the lottery, but again, the sublord is Jupiter. Okay, when we see the sublord, when it is a Jupiter is also giving you 8, but at very low level. It is giving you 8, but it is giving you at very low level. So definitely your question is yes. The answer to your question is yes. You have chances.
Okay.
You have full chances to gain in lotteries. But you cannot expect like kaun banega crorepati.
Yes. Not a big amount. Not a big amount.
Yeah.
There will be some earnings. That's it.
Okay. What about the family life and all?
Family life is very good. Family life is very good. Based on this,
No.
It should be good because everything is only your. It will be there for some time, but it will pick up.
Jagjit, record हो रहा है ना? Are you putting this in YouTube?
जी.
Okay. No, sir. Actually, my family life is not so good.
Sir, Anilji, I will make a small correction over here. He has answered you for the question according to the Prashna.
Okay.
So the Prashna chart is according to now. So now the coming family, like what he also mentioned, that
Hmm.
the coming there is something, but the coming time is good.
Better.
That he mentioned.
Okay. Okay.
That he mentioned.
Not your
Okay.
past,
Got
actually.
it.
You're coming, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it, sir. Got it. Got it. Got it. And another thing I wanted to discuss about the retrograde Saturn.
Yeah.
Retrograde
Sir,
Saturn.
I will make a small note over here. The meeting is going to end, and
Oh, is it?
within
Okay.
after 5 minutes, we'll start the
Okay.
meeting
Sure.
because it takes time to save the recording, and within 5 minutes, the recording will be saved, and we will come back with your prashna only, with your kundli only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ji? Chalo. I'll end the meeting currently, and we will rejoin in 5 minutes.
Fine. Okay.